Hi guys, so I'm really excited to share my tutorial with you guys today. So I'm more and more attracted to clean makeup brands because I think it's so important to really look at the ingredients and really pay attention at what you put onto your skin and onto your face. And that's why I'm so excited to share this brand with you. It's so cute. The packaging is just so beautiful. It's all marble inspired. The ingredients are all clean and perfect, and it's really like multifunctional, so like the cheek product you can use on the eyes, on the lips, and it's the kind of makeup I love. There's no fuss. It's really easy to use. You can use your fingers or your brushes. And so the makeup look I created today is very like romantic, very clean, very simple. I have a gorgeous model. Her name is Lena. So keep on watching and enjoy this makeup tutorial. Hi guys, I'm here with my beautiful model Lena. I'm starting with the Dear Dahlia Skin Paradise Pore Perfecting Primer, and I'm applying it with my fingers and I'm massaging it into the skin, which helps even out texture. Right off the bat, I wanted to mention that every Dear Dahlia product is 100% vegan, clean, cruelty-free, and it's really luxurious. Next, I'm going in with the Skin Paradise Blooming BB Cream in light beige. I'm applying it first with my fingers and then blending it in with the Dear Dahlia sponge. Every Dear Dahlia product has dahlia flower extract in it, which is a very powerful antioxidant, and I really love the way it makes the skin look. I also really love the sponge. It's the perfect pointed shape to get under the eyes and around the nose. I'm also applying it over her eyelids to cancel out any redness and dragging it down the neck for a more seamless blend. Alright you guys, now I'm moving to the eye makeup. I'm starting with the Paradise Dual Palette in shade Forbidden Fig. I'm starting with cream, just tapping it on with my fingers and then blending it out with a Dear Dahlia brush. I love this palette. It's a multi-use palette. You can use it on the eyes, cheeks, and lips. And look how cute it's packaged. I love that you get a cream formula and a complementary powder in it. You get a little mirror and it's in this chic marble octagon shape. I just love it. I'm dragging the outer corner up and out to elongate the eye shape and to give it a more interesting look while keeping it super natural. I'm using the other side of the palette now and layering the powder over the cream to intensify the color and add depth. So we're coming back to the eyes later, but now I'm moving on to the brows. I'm using the Perfect Brow Longwear Sculpting Pencil in shade Chestnut. I'm using the spoolie end to brush up her brows and the pencil end to just lightly fill them in. I want to make them a little fuller but keep them soft and very natural. Next, I'm applying the Skin Paradise Flawless Fit Expert Concealer with my baby Dear Dahlia sponge. I love this concealer. It is so easy to blend out and the coverage is really great. You can build it up in areas you want more coverage or use it in place of any foundation. Just like every other Dear Dahlia product, it is infused with the dahlia flower extract to make skin look very healthy and radiant. They have 10 shades and I'm using 2 shades here, a lighter shade under the eyes and the bridge of the nose to highlight, and one that matches her exactly to cover any blemishes. You could also use a darker shade to contour. Next, I'm going back to the Paradise Dual Palette in shade Forbidden Fig for the cheeks. So what I'm doing first is I'm stamping on the color with my fingers and then I buff it out with the Dear Dahlia brush. It's so easy to blend out and the color is really flattering on her. I'm going in to build up the color with my brush now And I love how using the same product on different areas of the face looks. It really ties the whole look together. If you feel like you applied too much, you can go back over with the sponge that still has some foundation on it and go over the blush to create a seamless, natural look. Alright, so now I'm going in with the Skin Paradise Soft Velvet Finishing Powder, lightly under her eyes and in the T-zone. It has a very silky and velvety texture, and it's totally translucent. And what I really love about this powder is it's talc-free. I always love finding a powder that is talc-free. It has also a really great mesh filter. I'm only applying it under the eyes and in the T-zone because I want to leave the rest of the face dewy and glowy. Alright, now we're going back to finish the eyes. I'm using the Paradise Shine Eye Sequins in shade Queen for some shine in the center of the eyes. I'm also applying it directly from the applicator, then blending it out with the Dear Dahlia brush. I love that this adds some intensity and shine to the entire eye look. I'm now going to take the cream from the Paradise Dual palette under the eyes on a small brush and blend it out and drag it up and out to connect it with the top. I'm going on top of it with the powder to lock it in place and add some intensity. Just for another pop, I'm using the Eternal Shine Illuminating palette, which I'm gonna share with you guys later again. And it is a beautiful highlighting palette, and I'm using the lighter shade just on the top of the brow to give a little bit more of a sheen. But you can also use it as an eye topper if you want to. Alright, for mascara, I'm going to use the Paradise Dream Volume and Long Lash Mascara. Let's just talk about clean mascara because I can tell you it's really hard to find them. And this one is really amazing because it's talc-free. It adds a lot of volume and length, and it's also waterproof. It also has almond oil in it, which I really, really like. I'm just applying it on the top and on the bottom lashes. Okay, to finish the skin, I'm going back with the Eternal Shine Illuminating palette. It's the same palette I used earlier on the brow bow. You can use this palette as a highlight, like I'm doing right here, or you could use it as a blush topper. It's really versatile. I'm highlighting the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bow. Okay guys, for the lips I'm using the Paradise Dream Velvet Lip Mousse in shade Teddy. So this is one of their most popular products, and personally I have to tell you, one of my new favorites too. It's a velvety texture while being matte and highly pigmented. As you can see here, I'm applying it first from the applicator, and then I'm actually using a small Dear Dahlia fluffy eye brush to blend it out. I love the way it makes it look right here. This product doesn't dry your lips out at all because it has the Dahlia flower extract in it, and I just love the way a matte lip looks. You could leave it like this, which is really beautiful, or if you wanted more intensity or a more monochromatic look, you could use the Paradise Dual palette underneath, or you can do what I'm doing and layer on the gloss. I'm using the Paradise Aurora lip treatment in shade Stardust, just in the center of the lips for a little bit more shine. And that's it, you guys. That's the finished look. Thank you so much, Lena, for being here today. It was so much fun.
Thank you for having me.
So I had so much fun today creating this makeup look with my model Lena, and I loved playing with all the Dear Dahlia products. For more information on where you can find Dear Dahlia, just go down in the description box. I will link all the products down below, and I see you in the next one.